The Kharmuti clan, under the banner of Shilyngwiar Kur Kharmuti, marked its Silver Jubilee with a grand celebration at Tynring village, bringing together hundreds of kinsfolk for the occasion. The congregation was graced by esteemed dignitaries, including Panyatsuk Pengrop, the Lingdo Raj of Nongkrem, R.L. Kharpran, President of Shilyngwiar Kur, Raphael Wadri, Wilshila, Reverend Augustine Kharmuti, Sister Margaret Kharmuti, and other clan delegates. Held biennially, the gathering traces its roots to the Foundation Day in 2000, featuring cultural performances by both young and old members of the clan. Chief guest on the occasion, Panyatsuk Pengrop, recounted the origins of the Kharmuti clan, attributing its lineage to an initiative by his ancestral maternal uncle. According to tradition, the clan's ancestry traces back to a young orphaned girl named Muti, brought from Bengal and raised with care before being married to Long Suting of Maulat. The couple became the progenitors of the Kharmuti clan, giving birth to 6 children, 5 daughters and 1 son. Several prominent figures, including R.L. Kharpran, Reverend Augustine Kharmuti, Munisidora Kharmuti, Phaiwil Kharmuti, the founding General Secretary of the clan, and editor Mollington Kharmuti addressed the gathering. A souvenir commemorating the Silver Jubilee was also released during the event, accompanied by vibrant cultural performances from various units of the Shilyngwiar Kur Kharmuti.
Cùng trình xã Tân Mão, tên là tên Vòng Mama, hiện đại, chúng ta là Tân Vị, hiện đại là lệ quát, chúng ta là vô chính xác, nào ta Kaloi, di Persa, di Para, trong Kur Kharmuti, ya tertolong kejapi, mempelajari rekod kita, cùng trình kedak di xã Tân Mão, julom ya Kur Kharmuti, akan kita ardasem, belaseng. Ya Kur Kharmuti.